Joe was quizzical, studied metaphysical science in the fall. Late nights all alone in the test tube. Maxwell, Edison, major in medicine, calls her on the phone. Can I take you out to the pictures, Joe? But as she's getting ready to go, a knock came on the door. Bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer came down upon her head. Bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer made sure that she was dead. Back in school again, Maxwell plays a fool again. Teacher gets annoyed, wishing to avoid an unpleasant scene. She tells Max to stay when the price has gone away, so she waits behind, writing 50 times I must be so old. When she turns her back on the boy, he creeps up from behind. Bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer came down upon her head. Bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer made sure that she was dead. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ba, 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 ba. Pieces heavy ones to be dirty one. Maxwell stands alone, painting testimonial pictures of Rose and Melanie screaming from the parents, says he must be free. But the judge tells him so. But as the words are leaving his lips, a noise comes from behind. Bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer goes home upon his head. Bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer made sure that he was dead. Well, there you have a fun song from the Beatles. Classic song, Maxwell's Silver Hammer, of course. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original song. Sorry about my croaky voice today. I don't know what's happened there, but it's gone a bit croaky on me. So let's get to it. Starts off straight into the song. There's no intro as such. It goes into a D chord. Joe was quizzical, and then we go to a B7. Study pataphysical, E minor, science in the home. Okay, so D. Joe was quizzical, study pataphysical, science in the home. Then we do a little rundown. So when you E minor, you just take your making a third finger off, open fourth string, and then go to the fourth fret on the fifth string, and then the second fret on the fifth string. So it's open fourth on the fifth string, second on the fifth string. Okay, then to an A7. Okay. Late nights all alone with a test tube. D, oh, and A, not an A7th, I think. Okay. So that first, go through that first bit again. Straight in with a D. Joe was quizzical. B7, E minor, the rundown. A7, test tube. D, oh, A, repeat D, Maxwell B7, da 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 da, E minor, da, run down, A7, pictures D, A, then it goes into a single strum on E7. It's an E chord with the open fourth string. Take your third finger off, strum it down, but so it goes Joe, but as she's getting ready to go, and then an A7 single stroke, single downstroke, knock comes on the door. Okay, and then you're into a lead up to the chorus, which is open fifth string, second on the fifth, fourth on the fifth. Okay, and then you're into the chorus. Bang, bang. Okay, so D, bang, bang, Maxwell's silver hammer came. E7, down upon her head. A7, bang, bang, Maxwell's silver hammer made. E minor, sure that A7, she was dead. Boom, bang. Now, let's go through that chorus again. So, knock came on the door, lead up, D, bang, bang, Maxwell's silver hammer, E7, down upon her head, A7, bang, bang, Maxwell's silver hammer made. E minor, sure that A7, she was dead. And what I do that is, I play it, when you go head, I play the D chord, and then I hit the open fifth string, and then the D again. So it's right. So bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer came down upon her head. Bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer made sure that she was dead. So that then bomb ting. Okay. And then we go into the instrumental bit between the verses and choruses sort of thing, and da 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 da. Basic four chords to start with are D, da. So there's a minute, there's a little gap after makes sure she was dead, and it goes D, single strokes, downstrokes. Okay, D, F sharp 7. So that's an F sharp major second fret bar chord with pinky off. Okay, F sharp 7. So D, F sharp 7, B minor, second fret bar chord, minor shape. You could play a simple B minor as well if you wanted to, and then a D7. Okay, so D, F sharp 7, B minor, D7. Okay, so then we go into a G chord, play a straightforward G chord. So it's so G chord, and then you play a little run up, open fifth string, second on the fifth, fourth on the fifth. So it's G chord single, open A, second on the fifth, fourth on the fifth, and then it's the old D, open A string, and then the D again. So it's okay. So the whole instrumental bit between the end of the first chorus and the next verse is D, F sharp 7, B minor, D7, G, and then that's all run. Okay, so there you have that bit, and then it goes basically into the next verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse, right? So it's back in school again, B7, E minor, run down, wish A7, D, A. Now, if you want to, there's a little fill in here, very simple. I'm playing a double stop on the top two strings on the 5th fret with my first finger, and I'm hammering up, playing two strings together and hammering up at the same time to the 2nd fret on the 7th fret on the 2nd string. that one there. Okay, so you pluck and hammer. Okay, 2 strings, top 2 strings. Then take that finger off. This third. I'm doing it with my 3rd finger. Then take the 3rd finger off and play those 2 again on their own. So, and then I put the 3rd finger back to the 3rd string on the 7th fret. Okay. And then you can either, there's a choice here. You can just play that downwards. So it's, and play it with the 2nd string, third string on the 7th fret and the 5th fret on the 2nd there. But I think what it actually is a double stop. So if you put that 3rd finger over the 7th fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string and play the 3rd string and 2nd string together on the 7th fret. So it's, sorry. But occasionally I don't hammer, I don't put the bar down there, and I sometimes hit that one. It doesn't really sound any different when you're playing it quickly. So that's that one, and it's very, very subtle. Okay, so whichever, you know. But anyway, it's double stop on the 5th fret there, hammering up to the 7th fret on the 2nd string, and then those 2 again, and then the 7th fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string, and then back to the D. Okay, so 2nd verse. Back to school again, Maxwell plays the fool again, teacher gets annoyed. A7 wishing to avoid an unpleasant D, C, E, A, and then this little riff. Back to D. She tells Max to stay. B7 away. E minor. Da, 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 da. A7 writing 50 times. That must be so. D, O, A. Single strum on E7, but when she turns her back on the boy, A7 single strum, she creeps up from behind. A little run up as before, open A, 2nd on the A, 4th on the A. Chorus D. Bang bang Maxwell silver hand. E7 down upon her head. A7 bang bang Maxwell silver hammer made. Now this time it's a bit different because we're going into the solo or the instrumental section. Okay, so what you do is on that 2nd half of the verse where it goes A7 bang bang Maxwell silver hammer, make sure. Now normally on the previous chorus you went A7 E minor A7 D. Well, this one is you stay on the E minor longer. Okay, so it's A7 bang bang Maxwell silver hammer, made sure that she was A7 dead. Okay, and then you go into another instrumental chorus, same chords as the basic chorus, but without any singing. Okay, so let's go from this is the 2nd chorus. Okay, creeps up from behind. Bum 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 bang bang Maxwell silver hammer down on her head. Maxwell little silver hammer made sure that she was dead. A7, right, now we go back into the D and do an instrumental chorus. Bum 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 bum. And this time it is a quick E minor to A7, da 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 da, bum, ting, like the first chorus. Okay, da 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 da, bum, bum, ting, with that open A on the D chord, D, open A string, D. Okay, and then we play another of those chord intro things, or chord, not intro, the intermission, should we call it, bits with the D, F sharp 7th, B minor, D7, that bit. Okay, so 2nd chorus from creeps up from behind D. Bang bang Maxwell silver hand came down on her head. A7 bang bang Maxwell silver hammer made. E minor, sure that she A7 dead. Instrumental up D, D7 da, 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 A7 da, da, da. minor, da da, A7, da da, D, bom, ching. Then we do this D, F sharp 7, B minor, D7, G. Next verse. PC31, so we call the dirty one. Maxwell stands alone. So as usual, painting best with photo pictures. Oh, riff again. Rose and Valerie scream from the gallery, says he must go through. The judge does not agree and tells them so. E7, as those are leaving his lips. A7, the voice comes from behind. Lead up. Bang, bang, Maxwell's silver hand came down on his head. Bang, bang, Maxwell's silver hand made sure that he was dead. As before, as the previous one, a longer version on the back end of the chorus, stay on E minor longer and end up on the A7th. So bang, this is the final chorus, okay? Bang, bang, Maxwell's silver hand on his head. A7, bang, bang, for silver hammer made E minor sure that he was A7 dead. Now another chorus with just whoa whoa whoas on it and all that sort of thing. Yeah? Whoa 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 whoa. Oh, sorry. This time, and then it does the normal way of finishing it. E minor, A7, D. Okay, in quick succession. So last chorus. Bang bang, Maxwell's hand came down upon his head. Bang bang, Maxwell's silver hammer made sure that she was dead. Instrumental that wow 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 wow. Whoa whoa. E minor, A minor, A7, D. Now the instrumental bit again, but with silver hammer over it. Silver hammer. End of song. Okay, so we'll just do that final chorus again. Bang. So it comes out of that previous verse. A noise comes from behind. Boom, boom, boom. Lead up. D. Bang, bang. Little silver hammer came down upon his head. Bang, Maxwell's silver hammer made sure that he was dead. Whoa, 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 whoa. Then, sorry, silver hammer. Bum, 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 bum. And there you have it, boys and girls. I'm sure you get the idea. A fun song. Okay. Got some nice chords in it as well. So there you have it. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.